Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To change the default 3D Maps graphics processing and caching options, click the File tab in the ribbon of the 3D Maps window, and then click the Options command to open the 3D Maps Options dialog box. Here in the 3D Maps Graphics Quality section, you can select the option button for the desired method of graphics rendering to use for your 3D maps. The current cache size appears in the Cache Management section. To clear the cache if desired, click the Clear button in the Cache Management section. After setting your desired graphics option and optionally clearing your cache, click the OK button in the lower right corner of this dialog box to apply your options.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.